Welcome to SATES Business Academy. My name is Olaison Gala, and I want to personally welcome you to China Importation Masterclass. And I congratulate you on taking a bold step towards building your online business. The knowledge you will gain here has the potential to create new income opportunity, financial freedom, and stronger future for you and your family. However, success doesn't come from information alone, it comes from implementation. And I want to encourage you that make sure you take your time in learning and implementing every aspect of the teaching you will be learning from this course. As you go through this training, make a commitment to take action immediately. Don't wait for the perfect time, because perfect time doesn't exist. Every successful entrepreneur started with a decisions to begin, learn, and improve along the way. I want to encourage you to stay focused, follow the process, and apply what you learn. Small, consistent actions today can produce life changing results tomorrow. Remember, knowledge gives you power, but actions create results. Once again, I want to welcome you to SATES Business Academy. Your journey to building a successful online business starts here. Okay, let's make it happen. And I want to use this opportunity to introduce myself. I started my online business 5 years ago. I've been through things, call it, name it. I've been through it, failure, success. And by the way, if you are in this masterclass in SATES Business Academy, just don't teach how to source from China. We teach how to start your e-commerce business. We teach how to have your website, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on TikTok shop. So feel free to check up on all our teaching and make sure you start with one platform at a time. I repeat, one platform at a time. Starting all the platform at a time. Pick one particular platform and start with it. Master it before you move to another platform. And I want to encourage you to start with this China importation, because when you know how to import your product properly from China, this will enable you to build a good e-commerce business. You don't want to start drop shipping other business, other products. You can do drop shipping. There's nothing bad in doing drop shipping, but you want to do drop shipping for a while and start selling your own products. So the knowledge in this China importation masterclass will enable you to source the right product with affordable price. In other words, this will enable you to sell your own products without drop shipping from any other marketplace that can lead to account ban or account deactivation. Trust me, like I said, I've been through it all, and my aim is to help as many that want to start their e-commerce or online business in the right way, slowly but steady. This will enable you to have a strong brand and have a good reputation with all the marketplace platform. Like I said earlier, I've been there and I know what it means to go through account deactivation. Once again, welcome to SATES Business Academy. I want you to relax, enjoy this teaching. Make sure you watch everything through, or you can watch and implement along, but it's always good to go through it for the first time, the second time, then the third time, then you can start implementing. By this, you are already familiar with every aspect of the process of sourcing and getting everything done the right way. So I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.